Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Jinnatun Nisa, lecturer, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss on Chapter 1, Home Management, Lesson 5, Decision Making. After this class, we will be able to know about these topics: steps of the decision making, understanding the nature of the problem, finding the alternatives, thinking about the alternatives, adapting one solution, taking responsibility for the decided matter. Decision making. In home management, decision making is an important matter because in its different phase, minor and major decisions are to be taken. According to Gross and Trendle, the main fact of the decision making is to choose the specific function from the different alternatives or ways to solve the problem. Family may face the change situation or problem at any time. To tackle this situation, it is needed to select the best option among the different alternative options. It is called decision making. A family may need to take personal or group decision. The nature of the work determines the type of decision of the family. Individual can make the small or minor decision of the family group decision, plays vital role or doing any creative work or solving any critical problem. Steps of decision making. There are several continuous steps of decision making. These are: understanding the nature of the problem, finding the alternatives, thinking about the alternatives, adapting one solution, and taking responsibility for the decided matter. Understanding the nature of the problem. In the first step of the taking the decision, it is needed to understand the nature of the problem. If the nature of the problem is unknown, then it is not possible to solve it properly. Problems may be simple or complicated. Minor problems can be solved by individual decision, but taking decision in major problem requires intensive thinking. Finding the alternative. In second step of decision making, it is required to collect information and find the alternative solution of the problem. There can be different alternatives to solve any problem. To analyze the alternative, experience, knowledge and time are essential. Because of the limitation in these areas, it is difficult to select the right method and the right decision cannot be taken. For example, to go to a far place, which mode of transport will be appropriate is needed to be decided. In that case, by considering the financial condition, time, energy, etc., the alternative should be analyzed and then the decision would be taken. Thinking about the alternative. During the step, the alternatives to solve the problem are evaluated elaborately. The outcome of all the alternative and the advantage and disadvantage of these are to be thought. The decision maker is needed to be foresighted. Though many changes may occur in future due to the expected result may not come. Due to the limitation of the timing, different alternatives may not be thought. To do so, it is needed to give enough time to evaluate all the alternatives to make the right decision. All this level of decision making excellent intelligence is required. Adapting one solution. In the step of decision making, it is needed to select one alternative among all the alternatives. The step is very much dominating. It is influenced in the lifestyle of people. Most of the time people choose the rational alternative of the solution, though they try very less to find out the best of alternative. People become influenced by the time and the condition of the family. As example, someone may buy the thing which is well displayed in the shop. Adapting one solution depends on the condition of the surrounding environment, age of the decision maker, need, income, etc. At the time of adapting a solution, it is to be considered whether it is enough effective and it can satisfy the mind completely or not. Taking responsibility for the decided matter. The decision which has been taken by considering its result, taking responsibilities, is the last phase of decision making. It should be implemented after taking the responsibility. Otherwise, all the works done before will go in vain. So, responsibility to execute to the decided solution chosen from the alternatives must be taken. The decision maker may alter the decision by consulting with the other members of the family. Family decisions would be taken by the person who has good relation with all the members and who is very much sincere toward his duties and responsibilities. For participating my class attentively and carefully. Thanks to all of you.